isanandanenyo itanamnaveno isanandayane tam indanamdava indoshanaya indena dena hintorai indono hintoram mindana hindeve hindukai indana ho hisanamdava intoran nachtan halmin toch nai indene ya indono mine shene vindokai hey na indana ineva innaya inno intoren antach meini vashantana inderena ishtarnam tuchtuanantava indena dendana indam dam dam deventono heyana heno indana yandaneve innana yendono ni sheneve ni sheneve indanam tonoya nintoava shinen toram tana inne no imdai Misuota vanana satahachni inach tu kavahast yeshuach noktam nahavana asuat yeshach mi vananta asut echniach naam ivese etu kamya vahaata inana asutuku ichne Ivanasaya tukam teve eno hitu vanaswachna inana ya noyo inana ya nachva shondono inana Itavanayono Isandam davana In shene ho In pure nacht on yono Satnam, thank you so much for joining. My name is Jean. I am a channel for creator energy. to ultimately assist humanity in remembering, reconnecting, and embodying their true, authentic core expression, which is creator consciousness. So with this video, I actually just recorded it on one take and decided to leave it at that because it just felt more powerful for me in a way, because the previous week was all about, me returning home and the energy of returning home. And now it's about, returning, or opening up to self and opening up to truth. And sometimes we and our truths aren't necessarily perfect. You get what I'm saying? It's not always very smooth or very just not as bright or as smooth or as glittery as we would like, but it is what it is. And that is what's so beautiful about it, that authenticity, that just pure expression. And I kind of lost that. I kind of forgot about that because I started getting so enmeshed with the situations that I was finding myself in my external reality, and trying to change it, and etc., that I actually completely forgot the reason why I'm doing this, why I am here, why I love doing this. And the reason why I love doing this is because it is so liberating, because it is so freeing. Me being able to simply sing and just do and just express sounds or movements in whatever way I feel I need to, no matter how that looks or sounds. So yeah, that was also the process for me to ultimately get to where I was, to sing the light language and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you so much for connecting. I truly hope and believe that this released something within you, or maybe even woke something up within you. It's okay to just express yourself, no matter how off it might even seem. We need to create that space for ourselves. That is our truth. Our darkness is our truth just as much as the light is our truth. And if you ignore that, then you are ignoring, I wouldn't say 50%, you're ignoring everything, because the darkness is the light and the light is the darkness. So yes, if you want to have a session with me, my email is in the description box down below. You can email me. If you feel called to donate to my channel for what you have received, my PayPal is in the description box below as well. I released a video earlier about the new moon healing, the monthly new moon healings that I'm going to be doing and facilitating with assistance and guidance from Goddess, from the Divine Feminine. This healing is specifically for the sacral and the womb, yes, but it will be healing the masculine as well. From my perspective, the feminine, the goddess, is the womb of all of creation. So the masculine originates from the feminine in some way, even though they're the same thing. Anyway, just wanted to say that out there. And then the link, actually not the link, you can just email me, and then I will tell you about the time that the next session will be, which is going to be on the 28th of March of this month. And then it's going to be $13 per person, and then you can decide if the time works for you, etc. It's going to be at 11 p.m. GMT +2. So yeah, take that into account, and please check the time zones. I am also selling mandalas on Redbubble, activated light language mandalas, very powerful, tangible, beautiful energies. So you can go check that out on Redbubble. The link is down below in the description box as well. Yes, guys, Satnam, thank you so much for joining. The secret to discovering your inner light is by moving through the murkiness, moving through the darkness, by dying. Only by dying to self can you truly find the true light within you. And that is something that Christ taught us. That is something that every Christ-conscious being has taught us. And it's important. It's very important. These frequencies act like a chisel, chiseling away everything that is not of your highest and greatest. And by chiseling away, it's like small deaths. But those deaths are then filled with new births. Satnam.